Okay, so doing a little bit of housework maintenance here. The fridge, it was running off this, right, which is like a cigarette lighter plugged into here. That one. Well, it didn't matter which one, but it's a very, very, very bad idea. And the whole reason why is this wriggles and disconnects. So the fridge kept going off all the time, and it's beyond me why they didn't hardwire it. So I've just hardwired it. I had a spare switch up here. That one's for the radio at the front. Because I've got an isolation switch, I had to hook that up to the house batteries down the rear. So I've hooked that up to that switch for the front double DIN radio. That I just used for the fridge. That was spare. This is for LED lights outside where the little drop down table is. And this one's for the kitchen sink pump. So I only turn that on when I need it. So what I've done, I cut this off, obviously, and hardwired it into the system. Should have been done right in the first place. Another thing I've done, I drilled a hole here and put a hook. Right now, the microwave, when I was driving over the roads, was jumping. Even though I've got this down, this non-slip rubber mat, it still slips and jumps on this. So I've put this hook in so I can put this strap over it. Right, that's for while I'm travelling. Obviously I don't need it if I'm not travelling. I was going to put another hook here. If I put it underneath, it would get in the way of this drawer opening. Yeah, if I put it underneath, it would get in the way of the drawer opening. If I put it out here, I wasn't too keen on that. I thought it would look wouldn't look very good at all. So for the moment, I'll strap this to the handle. If it starts damaging the handle, I might have to put a hook here, and if I don't like it there when I'm stopped, I can undo it and remove it, put it in when I need it.